Hello, fifth grade students. I'm recording this video to help you a little bit with this page 16 and also page 17. Well, in this part, we are going to do a speaking activity. And the title is Making Friends. Listen to Rachel and Jonathan. Rachel and Jonathan. And complete the dialogue. So, listen, you are going to listen an audio and you complete the blanks, okay? You fill in the blanks. Now, let's see. Pay attention.
Unit 1, Track 16, Speaking.
Hello, I'm Rachel.
Hi, Rachel.
What's your name?
My name's Jonathan.
Nice to meet you, Jonathan. How old are you?
I'm 14 years old. What about you?
I'm 12. Where are you from?
I'm from Ireland. How about you?
Oh, I'm from the UK.
Okay. Now listen, says, hello, I'm Rachel. Hi, Rachel. What's your name? My name is Jonathan. Nice to meet you, Jonathan. How old are you? So, class, how old is Jonathan? Exactly. He is 14. That's good. Excuse me. Once again, 14. Now, let's see. I'm 12. Where are you from? I'm from. Exactly. Ireland. Okay, Ireland. Now, let's see. Oh, I'm from. Exactly. The UK. Perfect. The UK. So this is our reading, our activity. I read once again. Hello, I'm Rachel. Hi, Rachel. What's your name? My name is Jonathan. Nice to meet you, Jonathan. How old are you? I'm 14. I'm 14 years old. What about you? I'm 12. Where are you from? I'm from Ireland. What about you? Oh, I'm from the UK. Okay, here we finish our speaking time. So what do you have to do? Practice, and then we're going to practice in our class. Okay, practice in our class and check your pronunciation. Also here we have functional language. For example, what's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? And nice to meet you. And also here you have the answers. What's your name? My name is Jonathan. How old are you? I'm 14 years old. Where are you from? I'm from Ireland. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. So what's the topic for us? Is to create a new dialogue. For example, this boy is Jack. He's 11 and he's from Canada. She's Rosie. She's 10 and she's from the UK. Also, you can transform that conversation. You can say your name, your age, and where are you from. From San Vicente, from Imperial, from Quilmaná, Lunahuaná, etc. So you can change it, no? For example, hello, what's your name? How old are you? Where are you from? Nice to meet you. No? You say, hi, my name is, I'm years old, I'm from, nice to meet you too. So in this part, you are transforming this dialogue. You are making it your personal dialogue. Okay. Now, let's see. Let's continue here. Here is page 17. On page 17, we have culture. We're going to learn about the world. People from around the world. No? For example, class, do you identify this person? No? He is Bono from U2. Yes. And this one is Emma Watson. Can you remember Harry Potter, Hermione? Yes, she is. Justin Bieber, Lionel Messi, and Natalie Portman. Okay, he's a singer, she's an actress, he's a singer, a soccer player, and an actress. Let's see. Listen. His real name is His real name is Paul David Hawson, but everybody calls him Bonobox. He is the lead singer of the rock band U2 and is from Dublin, Ireland. Okay? Now, Emma Watson is a Scottish actor famous for playing Hermione Granger on one of Harry Potter's best friends. Okay? Justin Bieber is an American. Well, I disagree with this. I knew that Justin Bieber was Canadian. Well, okay, the book says American. American singer and songwriter. Some of his hits include Let Me Love You, I'm the One, and Despacito. 4. Lionel Messi is a professional soccer player. He plays for the Spanish team Barcelona, but he's from Argentina. Natalie Portman is an actor from Jerusalem. She lives in New York but visits Israel often. Now, here I have an extra activity. That is so true. That is so false. For example, Bono is born and raised in Dublin, and the rock band U2 is from there too. It's false. Bono is from South Africa and is famous for his support for African development. Okay? That is so true. She's from a small city named Bournemouth. That is so false. Her home city is Paris, France, but her parents are British. So true. Bieber is from Memphis, the same birth city as Justin Timberlake's. It's so false. Bieber is from Ontario, Canada. Okay, let's see. Messi plays for the Spain team Barcelona since 2003, but his home city is Rosario, Argentina. Too false. Messi plays for Barcelona because he's Spanish and not Argentinian. That is so true. Natalie Portman has lived in the USA since the age of 3, but she still feels at home in Israel. So false. Natalie Portman is American, and she only visited Israel often because her grandparents lived there. Okay, listen. Let's check the real information. For example, number 1, Bono is born in and raised in Dublin, and the rock band U2 is from there too. That is a check. Okay, that is right. Okay, let me see this one. Check. That's so true or so false. She's from a small city named Bournemouth. No, her city is Paris, France. Okay, her home city is Paris, France, but her parents are British. This is correct. Next, I told you before, Bieber is from Ontario, Canada. Yes, that's right. He's not American. Okay. Now, Lionel Messi. Messi plays for the Spanish team Barcelona since 2003, but his home city is Rosario, Argentina. That's right. Here says he's Spanish, not Argentinian. It's false, okay? Now here, Natalie Portman has lived in the USA since the age of 3, but she still feels at home in Israel. This is real, okay? This is so true. Now, here I have the answers, okay? You listen to me. Now you can practice, you can backward, and you can play again and listen to me. Listen to me, okay? Now, number 2. Name a celebrity who lives in your country, but is from another country. Where is he or she from, and what does he or she do? Okay, a celebrity in Peru, but from another country. Let's see who can be that person. A celebrity in Peru, but is from a different country. It's not Peruvian. Do you know that? Hmm? Well, search on the web, ask your parents, and then what do you have to do? Where is he or she from, and what does she do or he do? Okay? What are the advantages of having mix of nationalities in the same country? What are the advantages of having a mix of nationalities in the same country? So imagine Peruvian, American, Polish, German, Italian in the same country. What is the advantages of having that? Okay? For example, in Peru there is a lot of Venezuelan people, Colombian, also Peruvian. So what's the advantage of that? Okay? Well, class, listen. This video is to help you with the activities. So remember, you can listen, you can repeat in your house, you can practice a lot, and then on next class we can do this easily. Okay, also this part, no, are these 5 celebrities from where you think they are? Take the quiz. No, this was a quiz. And who's this? This is Bono, Emma Watson, Justin Bieber, Lionel Messi, and Natalie Portman. Okay, Bono is a writer, a soccer player. No, Bono is a singer and lead of U2. Okay, Emma Watson is Scottish. And she's famous for playing Hermione Granger in Harry Potter. That's good. Okay, this is Justin Bieber, and remember, Justin Bieber is not American. Justin Bieber is Canadian. Lionel Messi plays in Barcelona, in Spain, but he is not Spanish. He is from Argentina. Remember? Let's continue. Natalie Portman is an actor. She's from Jerusalem, but she lives in New York. Excellent. Okay, class. I hope this video can help you. So, see you soon. Thank you so much.